Input in array based program. So there are four ways by which we can input the array: by using assignment statement, by using input stream reader class, that is buffer reader, then by using scanner class, and by using the function argument. So let's take a question. So write a program in Java to input 10 integer number and find the sum of the array and display the sum and the array. By using this program, we'll see the four types of input. So how we'll input the data and find the sum and as well as display the array. So first, by using the program using the assignment statement, we'll use here the assignment statement. So first we'll write public class sample, so the class name, then the public static void main, string argument. So inside the main method, we'll declare the variable int I, then sum, then we'll initialize the sum with 0 because we are going to find the sum of the number. Then to find the sum, first now since we are going to use the assignment statement, we will declare the array, we'll assign the array. So we are assigning the array 2, 4, 9, 10. So this 4 numbers element we have taken. Now it is the program is we have to find the sum of the array. So we have taken the array 2, 4, 9, 10. Now for finding out the sum, we have to use the for loop. Why we are using for loop? Because we want each number one after another, each of the element we have to find out, and then we'll find the sum of that. 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 10. So to get one element, so we have to call each of the index. So our index starts from 0. Sorry, it will be 4. It starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is less than 4. So up till 3 it will move on. So 4 element will get. So inside it we'll find the sum equal to sum plus mi. So here we are finding out the sum of the element of the array. So first sum, let assume sum is equal to 0. 0 plus mi. I is 0. So 0 is less than I is 0, 0 is less than for condition true. So it will come sum is 0 and I is 0. So in the 0 position 2 is there. So 0 plus 2. So it is 2. Then I will increase to 1. So 1 is less than 4. So sum was 2. We are having 2 plus I is 1. In 1 position 4 is there. So plus 4. It became 6. Now I is 2. 2 is less than 4. So condition true, it will come sum was 6 plus I is 2. In the 2 position 9 is there. Plus 9. So it became 15. Now when it will come, I will change to 3. 3 is less than 4, so it will come sum plus I. So in the 3 position it is 10, so plus 10, so it became 25. My sum is 25. Now the question is, we have to display the sum and display the array. First let display the array. To display the array, what you have to do, again to display each of the element you have to display. So to get each of the element, what you have to do, we have to write the for loop. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. So inside it the output statement will write system dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln. What you are going to print? M I, means all the element of the I position. When I will be 0, it will print 2. When I will be 1, so it will print 4. When I will be 2, it will print 9. When it will I will be 3, it will print 10. So in this way the loop will go on and it will give us the print. So we have printed, we have displayed the array. Now we have to display the sum. Sum, it is a normal display, so we'll write system dot out dot print ln the sum of the elements of array is, so it is a string, so plus sum. So we are going to display the sum. The sum of the elements of the array is sum. Now we will close the main method and close the class method and write the variable description of the sum I. Question number 1. Write a program in Java to assign 20 elements in array and display them. So to assign a character variable like character M, now here I am assigning like C, O, M, P, U, T, E, R. So while you are assigning a character variable, each of the characters should be in the single quote. Rest, as same as the previous program you have done, the output will be in a similar manner. Similar way, if you are assigning a string, so you will write string M. If you are write, you can take name also. If you are entering the name, so take it. So when you are assigning a string, it should be inside the double quote. And the display will be in the similar manner as the you have done with the integer, like this the way you will integer in the for loop, you will give the number of character you have taken, so accordingly, so according to the length you will take it, and if you have taken the string, so according to the length of the string you have to give the condition. And the assignment of the integer you have to assign in this manner. So character in this way and the string in this order. And if double, so double type values will be there instead of the integer type, double type values will be entered. Question number 2, write a program in Java to assign an array of 10 characters and display them. Question 3, write a program in Java to assign 10 names of the student in array and display them.